Hi, good evening. Here's a video for Daniel. Daniel is one of my YouTube subscribers here. Uh, Daniel had a few questions on a few stocks, starting with GRMN. Bear with me, I haven't really looked at these until right now. GRMN, this is your daily chart here. Here's your, that's a monthly. Excuse me. Alright, so one of the first things I see here right away that stands out to me, if you look at the weekly chart, GRMN, let's see here. Bear with me here, I have not looked at these, but notice GRMN has kind of been staying in this range here for, back since, wow, 2009. Excuse me. Every time it tags this level, pulls back, tag this level, pulls back, bounces off of this level, bounces off of this level here, again, hits this level, pulls back, bounces back into this level, and here we are again. This is your weekly. I don't see a lot of upside on this unless it breaks this level here. If it does, this thing could make a nice move up to I probably should have looked at these before I shot the video, but I'm trying to get this out. So it does have resistance here. If you take this little high here, this high here, and then that low here, that's kind of where we're at currently. Close. Your next level to watch, if this does break this, one thing I do like is it is trading above your 20, above your 50-day, and above your 200-day moving average lines. They are sloping up. If this does break this level here, this is one level to watch. It's like 74 bucks here, and another level here. That's at about 83. So watch these levels if this does break up. But just this has been in a range again since 2009. This every time it hits this level, pulls back, pulls back, pulls back, and I'd be interested to see what it does here on at this level. Downside, of course, would be this line here. Right now it's at about 36. Upside, first level, break through this level and look for maybe 73.50, 73.50, and your next level will be somewhere around 83 bucks. All right, next up, CNI. I'm not familiar with this stock. If you're planning on buying this, just be careful. I mean, look at this. This is way overextended. This thing is, at a low of 282 back in 1997. Right now it's at 60.37. I'm not even familiar with this company. Canadian. Oh, this is a railroad company, a railway company. Alright, so kind of like the other one. very similar. Uh, oops, I just messed up my chart here. Sorry about that. And I know I'm taking too long here, so I'll speed it up. This one again, you could make the case for this trend line here, and there you go. Back since 2011, when it tags this level, sells off, tags this level here, close, sells off, tags it here, pulls back into this level, makes a move up, comes back down, and here we are again. It did make a high. Looks like today it's 60.37. Just be careful with this one. This thing is way overextended in my opinion. Oops, this was a weekly. Let's look at the, here's your daily. Alright, so still the same thing. This thing is at all-time highs. I personally would not be wanting to buy this. If you're looking to short this, then take a look at this level here. We're looking at about, it's not very far from that right now. Maybe $61. See how it reacts to this level. Based on its its history, trading history, it should pull back from that level. But if you're planning on investing in this, I'm not a professional, or I'm not a certified money manager or anything like that. Just my opinion, I would not be involved in this on the long side. Alright, so I hope that helps. Next up, FINL. Let me zoom out here. If you notice, I always zoom out. I like to see the whole picture here. This one again is at all-time highs. Looks like it made a high of 30.15, pulled back into this 20-day, bounced up. Here's one thing I don't like about this one. See this high here, 30.15? Here you made a lower high. Okay. It did pull back today. For now, watch this 20-day and watch your 50-day if for a bounce maybe. It did bounce here already, so don't be surprised if it flushes through this level if it decides to pull back. And watch this 50-day moving average on that. Let's take a look at the weekly really quick. Yeah, I'm not seeing a whole lot on this one. The weekly candle, it's a nice red candle. I'm not sure if you're wanting to buy this stock here, but I don't see a lot more upside on this stock. Let's take a look at the monthly. I'm just trying to find some trend lines here. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot on this one, Daniel. I mean, all I can tell you is it did make a lower high of 30.15 here. This high here was at 29.88. That is a lower high, and today it did pull back. I would just watch this blue line, your 20-day moving average, and watch this 50-day moving average. I'm not sure if you're planning on buying this or shorting this. I personally don't see a whole lot. Oh, this is finish line, FINL. Okay. Looks like they had earnings today. No, dividend. I'm sorry. This thing's just way overextended. A lot of stocks, in my opinion, are overbought right now. Just look at this. January 2013, this thing was trading at 16, 17 bucks. Right now it's at 30. Oops. There you go. It's a little late. Just be careful with this one. This one's really choppy. The chart's really hard to read. This thing, has a lot of ups and downs, and it's not a very pretty chart here, especially recently. For the month of May, this thing's just been all over the place. Just be careful with this one. Watch this blue line, watch this red line, your 20-day, your 50-day for some support. It did make a lower high. Expect this to see some more pullback here. All right, I believe that's GRMN. Yep, that's all I had. All right, and for all of you watching, if you have any other chart requests, Daniel, again for you, if you have any other charts you'd like for me to take a look at, I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. All right, hopefully this helped. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the charts tomorrow. Thank you.